So I'm just going to show you guys how I bring my wigs back to life. Like, this is an old wig and I have had it on for like a week straight now, where I haven't to take it out, and it's a hot mess. Like, I'm gonna come closer for you all to see it. Like, it's really a hot mess. It's literally time for it to come out. Like, if you see all the white spot and everything. Like, I'm trying for you to see it. Let me come closer. Yeah, like, if you can see, it looks a hot mess. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to show you all step by step on how I literally like wash my hair, slit it and everything, and just have it looking presentable. Like, follow the steps, and if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments and I'll be able to give you more details on advice on how to just bring your wig back to life after you've been wearing it for a while and just keeping up with your maintenance. Alrighty, here we go. We want to protect our edges, so I have my spray bottle, and usually I keep this spray bottle for like if I had in curly hair, so it's just conditioner and water. Yo, this hair is so good. I had this curls in for literally a whole week. But anyways, you know, I'm just rubbing it in to make sure that the water do get to where I want it to be. Do y'all see all this got to be glued? And then that makes it easy for it to come out, and I'm still protecting my edges. That, you know, you would do. Okay, so all of this is pretty much, the camera trying to set it, the got to be glue and the foam. So step one, well, pretty much this is step two, because we already, you know, step one is taking off the wig. And then if you use like adhesive and stuff, you want to use a different method in taking that off, because just putting the water on it like I did is not gonna work. It only worked because this was got to be glue and, you know, the styling foam. So after you get your wig off, and then when that gets to like a certain point, since I'm not pretty much washing the wig right now, I'm just taking that frontal part, this frontal, and I just want it to soak in the water. I want it to soak in the water, and just so that way the glue will be like the glue will absorb in the water really good, and then it will be easy for me to be able to clean it up without messing up my frontal, because you do want to protect your frontal as well. You don't want holes and knots and everything in there, and you want to do this if you are not like in a hurry, because this is gonna stay here, and we're gonna keep checking back on it. If it look like it's to the point where all of that glue, like, it's not hard anymore, it's soft, then we're gonna go ahead and wash it out. Okay, so we are on step two. After the wig had laid in the water for so long, I'm just gonna come and check on it to make sure. I think is, you see, like, the glue is starting to come off and stuff. I think at this point we can go ahead and just wash. You just want to be careful when you're doing this, because you really don't want to mess with the frontal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wet it, and I don't think I'm gonna use the other one. I think I'll just use this. I'm gonna wet it, and I'm just gonna go like this, try to do everything going back, because if I do it in motion, I might just tangle up the hair on the like facing the other side of the wig. And I'm still running this on hot water. And I really don't know how long we let it sit. I let it sit in there for, but I think because I ran it on the hot water, it wasn't that long. So it's just up to you, and you can just keep checking and see what works, like what will work for you. And now I'm just cleaning it up. It is a little too hot. Okay, so this is after it's sat in the water, and I used the little thing that I showed you all to wash it off, and this is it. All of that excess glue, the foam, all of it is literally gone, and my frontal is clean now. It's clean. So all of that dirt is gone, and I'm starting all new and fresh for a new week. And now I'm just gonna wash the wig. I try not to use like comb and brush all the time when I'm washing my wigs and stuff, because I don't want the hair to come off, especially on the list. And I'm just using my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner that I've been using. At this point, you can just turn your water off so you're not running the water.
Like, I'm not wearing no makeup in this video, and I'm happy with my skin.